Hi there, let's take a look at Hedera. To see where the price goes next, we'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, map out the short-term trend, so you know exactly how market momentum is shifting right now. From a Wyckoff perspective, Hedera is currently in the selling climax or panic over stage of the accumulation cycle. So I give it another name or an additional name so you know what the market behavior is instead of just the technical term. All right. So at this stage, people are typically, whatever panicked has already sold. But it doesn't mean it's the bottom of the cycle. Okay. Sometimes the test can go lower or as low as the selling climax at the later stage of the accumulation cycle. All right. Remember that it does not equate to a bottom. So the next stage we are looking to show up is the automatic rally. What usually happens after the selling climax is a rally to set the trading range top for subsequent testing periods. So if we look at what happened over here, you see the automatic rally back in 2023 March after the selling climax. And then the price came back down to where the selling climax was, around the yellow key level of 4 cents. And then it bounced up, come back down before it shot higher. All right. That happens a lot of times if you look across different crypto charts or even stocks. So this is education content only, not financial advice. The most important weekly support level is this 0.06 light blue key level. And the major resistance level right now is 0.077, the blue line over here. Now, the weekly chart remains neutral between these two lines until one of these key levels breaks. Okay? Daily chart. The trade has just exited the falling channel at the date or on the date we discussed. So in the previous session, we talked about when it gets closer to the end of July. There is a 2C decision point, okay, before it reaches to mid-August. This was the decision. The bulls and bears, they fought a battle around this wedge. The bulls found support around the 0.068, this yellow dash line, and then pushed the price sideways. But be careful. Currently, the bears are trying to push the price to retest this support level. And one more thing, you see this wedge, okay, is gapping. It is squeezing the price. So if I turn on the Bollinger Band code and squeeze, you see the purple lines has gone inside the blue, and this shade at the back has shown up. That means eventually the price will show a bigger swing. If we draw two lines, you see it is definitely reaching the tip of a wedge. All right, so that's the indication we're getting from the short-term trend. But be careful when that happens. It doesn't always mean it is going to shoot up. All right, sometimes when they swing, it can go this way. So if you use the Bollinger Band curve squeeze indicator, remember it doesn't tell you the direction. It tells you that a swing is near. Okay, so these were the examples. Back in May, end of May, you see after the squeeze, it continued to swing downwards. There's another squeeze, then another fluctuation. Likewise, for these scenarios, it kept squeezing until a swing released certain momentum, and then it trades sideways and then squeeze again. Okay, so it is giving us some indication and help us prepare for the bigger volatility that's about to come. But it doesn't tell us which direction and when it happens. Okay, so that's why we're using these indications to help us. So if that's the case, let's draw a line to see whether we've got a date indicated by these trades. So we have these three tops. this top, and this top. And then don't forget about the bottom. Sometimes a lot of people just focus on the horizontal lines. They forget about diagonal or slopes. Those are not horizontal, and they are giving us indication as well. So this is pointing to somewhere around August 16, just about 10, 11 days from now. If the price really trade like this, the bulls and bears are going to tell us, where the next direction is. And just to add one more, the 23rd. What does it mean here? If it exited the wedge, but not upwards, okay, not along this trend line, instead it gets into this triangle. If it gets into this triangle, there's another 2C's decision point. Exactly 1 week, right? 2C's means either continuation with the trend or breaking certain resistance and form a new trend. In this case, if it trades this way, that means it is supposed to be sideways. But if a change comes in, that means it is going to follow either, or in this case, likely there's resistance and break the support level of 0.068. Okay, so that's what it is over here. Of course, there's always a chance it continues and then trade sideways and find resistance under this higher lows support line. Okay, it has happened that way. I believe you have seen these kind of charts. All right. Put continue or change in the comment and let me know what you think. Is it going to continue sideways or is it going to break the support and go to the south? You can see this video 2 days earlier being a channel member. See you in the next one. Thank you.